Hello, kittens. Um, it is really, really hot right now. Oh my God. Um, but aside from that, I got a package. I got a package, from Ayalin. I love you, Ayalin. Thank you so much. I opened the box to save time and all that, but I actually have not, gone through any of it. So here we go. Alright, where's my scissors? Okay. So here you have a lovely card. It says, Virgil to Aphrodite, Little Harvest, and Surrender, which I have a feeling are ears, because I know the Little Harvest and Virgil to Aphrodite were my ears, so I guess the Surrender is something else, too. Thank you, Ayalin. Love is above all, the gift of oneself. You know what? I think you should put perfume on this. And if you did, if you didn't, I'm really weirdly smelling a card. But if you did, then that's what you smell like, and you smell awesome. You smell like how I always, thought you would smell, if that makes any sense. I really hope I'm not just being a creeper and smelling a card. I really hope that you spray perfume or something on that. I really hope so. Alright. So this is the Virgil to Aphrodite Sea of Love. These were special custom ears I had requested to be made for. I am a true devotee of Aphrodite. I am called the daughter of Aphrodite. So I'm very, oh my God. I just saw the gold, the band, and I'm, oh, okay. Oh, I'm always so, delicate trying to, take these apart, so they're still all bubble wrapped and everything. I still gotta take that apart really nice and gently. So, these are the most expensive and totes worth it ears I have, period. These are worth over $1,400. And, totes worth. And, I'm trying to take this apart so gently. I think I have to just aim for the tape. This seems to be my best bet here. When Ayalin ships something, she ships it with, the best packaging in the history of ever. So, I think I got it, though. Alright. Wow. That's the bead. She got this very old bead from Athens. And she put it on there. She's had this since she was 10. And I begged her not to give it to me because I thought of, she's had it for so long. Wow. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this bead right here. And this is what the front looks like. So it has a lot of rose quartz and gold pillars and wow. I love the headband. I love that it has flowers. It has little flowers on the top of it. So now for the other ear. Now, Ayalin, she can make the ears identical or similar but different. And that's also a very, very cool factor to have. So I know that the other side is different. So I'm very curious. as to what it's going to look like. Sorry this video is taking, longer than expected. It's just hard with the wrapping. And like it feels so soft. The fur feels incredibly soft. It is amazing. Wow. I'm just tripping out over these beads, and like there's this really pretty, like it's a troll bead it's called, this red one right here. It's a gold one with more rose quartz, and they sparkle, and oh, these are just amazing. Thank you, Ayalin. No, I will not cry. I will not cry from sheer beauty. These are so beautiful. These are just so beautiful. Thank you, Ayalin. Thank you. Okay. And trust me, viewers, I'm not crying out of sadness. It's just happiness. Oh my god. Oh, I still have more to go. Okay. Yeah. Oh. These are little cards. Yay! Yay! I'm so glad you got cards made. I won't pass these out to everybody. Wow, these are really pretty cards, Ayalin. I love the quiltedness of it. Wow, I love them. Okay, I'm gonna put my over there. I know so many cat girls who would just love your card. Okay. Oh, and there's these little paper stars. Yay! These little paper stars. And in Japanese culture, if you make 100 of these little paper stars, your wish is supposed to come true. I know because I have a huge jar of them myself. So, oh, the little harvest. Okay, these are ones that I saw, and I wanted fall time ears. I definitely did. So, I'm really excited about these ones too, because I have to do some fall shoots that are coming up, and need a fall ears to do that with. Okay. God, I really hope this is what you smell like. I know that might sound strange, but like it's just like has this aroma to it, so it has to be perfume. It has to be. Oh, these are so cute, and these are so tiny, little ears, and little pumpkins, and little leaves. All right, I'm gonna take off the other side, and then I'm just gonna show it all to you. Oh goodness me, because in proportion-wise, yeah, these ears are much smaller than the Aphrodite's for sure, but they're so cute. Oh my god. Oh, it's like the baby. Oh, I don't know. It's like little baby kitten, true kitten ears. Wow. Wow. Okay, so there's little leaves and a little pumpkin, like this cute little ribbon. And then on this side, there's a little pumpkin. It's so cute, and it's like a grayish tones, grayish fur. Okay. Yeah. Alright, and Chateau Rose's Surrender. So now I have not seen these at all. She just put these in here to surprise me because she's awesome. So, I mean, I never know what to expect from Ayalin, and okay. I've seen these ones, and I've wanted a pair of these for so long. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Ah. Oh, that wrapping paper was tickling like my leg. Oh, and the roses, they just feel like borderline real, you know, like they really feel real. Like, so this is what they look like. And it's like little pearls in them. And yeah, so that's what the backing looks like. And oh my god. Wow. Oh yes, so happy. Yay! I wanted those ones for so long too. Eee! Okay, so this box is like filled with paper stars. And oh yay, she put it in here, perfect. So she's also a writer, and she wrote a book, and I told her that, you know, I want the book too, and she said she would, you know, she had a solid copy, and she would send it to me. So, wow. And she signed it, yay! Good, she signed it, yay! So cool. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I am a very, very loved kitten right now. Right meow. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna do other little, you know, photos and whatnot with them all. You know, when everything is styled accordingly. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, these Aphrodite ones. Oh my god. I am blown away. So freaking cool. Okay, so that's it. That's it. That's the whole kit and caboodle. Alright, thank you, Ayalin. I love it all. It was just worth the wait. It was worth the make. It made me cry. It made me cry to happy tears. I cannot thank you enough. And I look forward to more. To more. Just more. Just I feel like the luckiest kitten in the world. I do. I feel so blessed and I feel so lucky and alright. I'm gonna end this video because it's already like almost 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna go, and I love you, Ayalin. Thank you so much. Bye, meow.